Hello everyone, this is David Prowlis, the CEO and President of the Foundation for the Study of Cycles. In the video to follow, it's my distinct and personal pleasure to present to you our new MOB, Marian's Opening Bell, webinar webcast, which we have just recently launched. This webcast was especially created for traders worldwide and anyone interested in the markets. In Marian's Opening Bell, we are presenting selected USA futures and Forex assets. The cycles you're about to see are derived from computer algorithms first created in Fortran in the 1950s and actually used by my predecessor Edward R. Dewey, the founder of the Foundation in 1941 and member of President Hoover's cabinet. The Paradigm signal is based on my personal planetary momentum studies I initiated in 1970. Marian Gutze is our head of research and our executive vice president and has agreed to present our research results live at 8:30 a.m. Eastern every morning before the market opening bell. So I hope you all enjoy what you're about to see and experience, which is the profit power of predictive cycles analysis.
Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's Opening Bell. My name is John. I am the membership director of the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and I am really happy to be your host for today. We are live from Bucharest, Romania, and broadcasting this webinar worldwide. I have to say that we, the whole team from the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, are proud and excited for everything you are about to see in this webinar, what it was until now, what you will see today, and what will come. So please prepare to be successful. Now, have in mind that every attendee will be muted in this webinar, and any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. Now, let's start like usual by reading our disclaimer. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments, and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You, as a viewer, are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicator and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. So, with that in mind, now I present you our Head of Research and Vice President, Marian Gutze. Hi, Marian.
Hey, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. This is the future how the trades record. These are the assets we are tracking. We have 2 hot trades and 2 older ones. 7 on the watch list. Let's start presenting. First asset, crude oil. The cycle is 27.30. The cycle is presenting a decline. The cycle oscillator, the orange line is above the black line. This is presenting the price and the cycle going in the same direction. I have entered in a short position on May 25. Currently exit as the cycle is presenting its bottom on June 7. I might extend that exit. The primary paradigm signal is presenting a clear decline until this icicle. We have 2 important icicles, one on June 1st, second one on June 15th, these 2 ones. The lowest one is on June 15th. The paradigm signal and the cycle are presenting a decline period. I have entered in a short position on May 25. Currently have a gain of 1.10%. Let's continue the next asset, gasoline. Cycle is 50.00. The cycle is presenting a decline with a bottom next week, the end of next week. The cycle oscillator, the orange line, as you see here, it's way above the black line. This is presenting the price and the cycle going in the same direction. Again, I have entered in a short position on May 25. And currently, the cycle is presenting its bottom on June 5. I might extend that exit, okay, this June 5. This trade is gaining 0.57%. The paradigm signal, we are seeing an important spike on the paradigm signal recent on May 31, then a clear decline. We have two low points, one on June 9 and second one on June 23. So again, the paradigm signal and the cycle are presenting a decline period. I have entered in a short position and I'm maintaining that short position. Let's continue with the next asset, corn. Corn, cycle 32.60. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. Okay, the cycle oscillator, currently the orange line is under the black line. I have entered in a long position on May 19. This is losing. This trade is losing 0.54%. This couple of weeks in corn have just been sideways. I still think this market will go positive. I still believe in that. The primary signal is presenting a positive movement until this spike on June 7. Recently, the rate of change of the price has declined. It's not looking like it's tracking with the price. And if we are following the secondary signal and it's looking like it has tracked for a longer period of time, we are seeing an important icicle on June 7, then a positive, longer-term positive movement. The top is on July 7. I'm maintaining this long position currently. Wheat. The cycle is 29.90. The cycle is creating a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. I have entered in a long position on May 19, same day with corn. The primary paradigm signal is presenting a positive movement until this high spike on May 30 and second one on June 6. Again, the longer term signal which have worked better is secondary. Secondary is presenting an icicle on May 30 and a second on June 6. After that, a positive movement. I'm maintaining my long position currently. These are the close trades. Let's start presenting the watch list. S&P 500. The cycle is 36.90. The cycle is presenting a positive movement with a top around June 30th. The cycle oscillator, the orange line, is way above the black line. It's still presenting the price and the cycle going in the same direction. The paradigm signal, it has presented on secondary a decline period starting from May 22 and May 25, and the lowest point it's presenting on June 8. It's looking like the paradigm signal and the cycle are not really correlating. Okay, the cycle is still presenting a positive movement for 1 more week, 2 more weeks, something like that, with a top around June 13. The paradigm signal is presenting a decline period this next couple of days with a bottom around June 8, second one on June 15, then a positive movement after that. Currently, I just choose to stay away because the cycle and the planets are not correlated, so I'm just NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, T-bonds. Cycle is 45.20. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. The planetary signal on the primary is presenting a positive movement with the top around June 6. Overall, the secondary signal have worked better for a longer period of time. This is presenting from November. As you see here, it have worked really nice, catching the tops and the bottoms. Secondary signal is presenting a decline period. Price and the rate of change are not tracking together, okay? The price actually have go sideways in this recent period, and the rate of change of the price is creating new highs, okay? So, again, the rate of change and the price are not tracking together. They are not similar. This is important, taking consideration. NTR today in T-bonds, no trade recorded. This is just on the watch list. Next asset, silver. Cycle 37.20. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline. The paradigm signal is presenting a top, has presented a top on a high spike on May 30, and we are seeing another one on June 7. A short decline period, another positive one, then a longer decline period. The lowest point is on July 17. Currently, I'm still NTR, no trade recorded in silver. Let's present one more time the trades. This is the trades records. So, crude oil, short position starting on May 25. Gasoline, short position starting on May 25. Corn and wheat long position started on May 19th, currently maintaining all these 4 trades. Forex, these are the assets we are tracking. We have 3 hot trades, and these are the assets, the recent close trades. Currently is creating a positive percentage of 13.91, the close trades. The open trades are creating a positive percentage of 3.43. Let's start presenting. First, AUD-JPY. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline. I have entered in a short position on May 25 and currently maintaining this short position. The bottom is around June 28. The Barodyne signal, the planetary signal, are presenting 2 important icicles on June 6 and June 8. These 2 important icicles. Then a positive movement after that. We are seeing an important spike on June 14, then a decline period. Again, I haven't in a short position on May 25. I'm maintaining that short position. The cycle is presenting a short position as well. So they are correlating, the Barodyne and the cycle. Let's continue the next asset, Euro CHF. The cycle is 35.10. The cycle is presenting a topping period. After that, a decline until this bottom on July 7. I have entered in a short position on May 16 and I'm maintaining my short position. The planetary signal, it has present important spike on May 3, a second one on May 8, then after this point a decline period. We have 2 important low points, icicles. One on June 2nd, which is today, and a second one on June 13. After that, a positive movement. Currently, I'm still maintaining my short position. Next asset, Euro JPY. The cycle is 35.40. The cycle currently is presenting a bottoming period. I have entered in a short position on May 25. The Barodyne signal, it has present a top on May 15. We are seeing another top on May 22, then a decline period after that. We have 2 important icicles, one on June 8 and a second one on June 26. Again, the Barodyne signal is presenting a decline period. The cycle is presenting a decline period. I have entered in a short position on May 25 and I'm maintaining that position. Next asset, JBP-JPY. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline. I have entered in a short position on May 25, currently gaining 0.88%. The Barodyne planetary signal is presenting an important spike on May 16, a second one on May 31, then a third one on June 14. The black line, the moving average line, is presenting a clear decline period. The lowest point is on June 26. Again, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining that position. Let's present one more time the trades record. These are the current open trades. As you can we have reached the last part of the meeting. I have tried to do this really fast so all the viewers can see it in a short period of time. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Take care, guys. John, please ring the opening bell, market opening bell.